Dum da dum, dum da dum, dum dum dum. Hello, I am Kimmy Coleman, your favorite Jamerican New Yorker, in my new favorite sweatshirt. Excuse you? This week, in true fashion, I am going to be talking about Japanese. And I know I said in my last video, which you can watch here, that the reason that I haven't come back to you guys with an update is because I have not hit a certain point and I haven't been practicing and grinding as hard as I want to. So today I am going to be going through the first 4 Japanese lessons on Duolingo with you guys, showing you how I remember the hiragana, what I use in this weird brain of mine to make sure that I remember. So follow along with me. We're going through hiragana 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's practice together. First one is 6, which is roku. There's no rolled R, it's just roku.
Roku.
Roku. And it's good to say it out loud as you go along so that you can check yourself on the pronunciation. And I remember this because it makes me think of the Roku, like Roku TV. Like, why did they choose 6? It's really just 6 TV now that we think about it. But you didn't think about that before. Boom. Roku.
Shiro.
Shiro is white. And I remember that because it reminds me of 0, and 0 is like blank. And if it's blank, it's most times white, so shiro. White, blank.
Hi.
Hi means yes. And I remember that from anime, because if you watch any anime, they finna say hi at least once. Hi. And then shiro. 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 That's white. Red. Aka.
Aka.
Aka. Red is a bold color, and I feel like ka is a bold sound. It sounds like you're getting kicked. So like red is a kick of color. Aka is red. 6. Roku. 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 3 is sun.
San.
Sun. I don't know how I remember sun. I just do. It makes me think of Sanji from One Piece, and isn't he the 3rd sibling? Something like that. Sanji, Sun, 3. Nana is 7. 7 is the number of completion, and Nana, having them put together, it makes it complete. Na. If you bring it together, it's complete. Nana. Na. Come on. Oh, blue. Blue is ow.
Ow.
Ow. It makes me think of if you get punched, you turn black and blue. No, so ow. That hurts. Ow. Blue.
Aka. Ow.
Ow.
Aka.
Red.
Aka.
Aka. Kick you in your face with some red. Boom. Next.
Roku.
Roku. 6. Ichi. Use one finger and it's itchy. It's 1. That's how I remember these things. Itchy. It's itchy. It's 1. Itchy. Sun is 3.
Ow.
Ow. Blue, my favorite color. Ow. Hit you with that blue. Ichi is 1.
Ichi.
Ichi.
San.
3.
Aka.
Aka. Kick you in your face. Red. Boom. Hiragana 1 out of the way. Dun, dun, dun. How am I still in the demotion zone? We'll just scroll up so we don't have to look at that. Hiragana 2. Sushi.
Sushi.
I mean, it's sushi. We say sushi the same way in English. I mean, not the same way because American accents. But sushi is sushi.
Watashi.
Watashi is
Watashi.
I. When you're referring to yourself, watashi. Alcohol, osake.
Osake.
Osake. It sounds like socking it to you, which alcohol does. Alcohol will punch you in the throat. Osake. Boom. Alcohol we just did. Osake. A vegetable, yasai.
Yasai.
It's like, I don't know, I feel that in my throat, it's just yasai. It's just Vegetables are like they're good for you and I'll eat them if I have to, but it's still a guttural feeling when I think about vegetables. Yes, I. Dirty, kitanai.
Kitanai.
Kitanai. Just makes kitanai, like it sounds dirty. Kitanai. Dirty. Nasty. Musty. Crusty. Kitanai.
Kitanai.
And they say it like it's whoever's voice recording this feels that in their soul. They say kitanai, like that's
Watashi.
okay. I watashi.
Yoru.
What? Yoru.
Yoru.
Yoru is night. Is it? Am I bugging?
Yoru.
Yoru. Yes, it means night. I always mix it up. There's another one that whatever it means to read. Yomu. Yes, I mix up read and night all the time. Yoru and yomu.
Hoshii.
Hoshi.
Yomu.
Yomu is to read.
Yomu.
Yes. I don't know how I can remember that better. Ooh, you know what goes moo? A cow. What color are cows? Black and white. What color is a book? Black and white. Never gonna confuse it again.
Hoshii.
Hoshi, that means to want. Night, yoru.
Yoru.
Not yomu, which we now know means to read.
Yoru.
Yoru is night.
Yomu.
That's read. Hiragana 3, let's go, let's go. Hiragana 3, let's go.
Inu.
Inu. Inu is a dog. Inu. It makes me think of like their little nuzzly noses. Inu. And ear is Mimi. Because I think of me. When you're like tuning up your voice, you need your ear and you do like the Mimi.
Me.
Meh.
Me.
Meh. Meh is an eye. Meh. And they do that in the anime too, and they're like, meh. It's your eye. Inu.
Inu.
Inu is a dog.
Mimi.
Mimi is my ear. Tori.
Tori.
Tori. Makes me think of tweets. Tori. Tweet. That's what birds say. That's what they be doing. They be chirping. Tweet. Tori.
Hiru.
Hiru is
Hiru.
okay, don't pressure me. Ugh, what is Hiru? I think Hiru is daytime. Ooh, she guessed. And she was right. House.
Ie.
Yeah. Are you going home? Yeah. Are you in the house? Yeah. Are you going out? No. Which technically you add another I to house and it means no. Am I leaving my house? Yeah. Yeah. A room is heya.
Heya.
Because when you turn on Outcast and listen to heya, you need a room to dance. Boom. That's how I remember.
Heya.
Heya, room. A house is
Ie.
Yeah. I like my house. Yeah. And I is meh.
Me.
Meh.
Ie.
E is house. And I is meh.
Hare.
Hare is sunny. Hare. Sunny.
Hare. Hare.
Hare.
Hiru.
Hiru is daytime. Okay, we're going to hiragana 4, and that's the last and final
Denwa.
one. Denwa is a phone. Which is easy to remember because if you're on the phone with someone, you can be like, then what? If they're telling you a story, then what? Then what happened? Then what? A box lunch is a bento.
Bento.
Bento. That is easy to remember because if you go out to any Japanese restaurants, they call it bento boxes. Like bento box. Bento.
Kaze.
Kaze. This one's easy to remember because of Naruto. Kaze is wind. Kaze Kage is like, wasn't that like the somebody in Naruto? That's somebody in Naruto. I haven't watched Naruto in over like multiple years, so don't come for me. I just know that Kaze reminds me of Naruto because the Kaze Kage was a thing. That's like a leader of a nation. It just means wind, okay? Kaze means wind because the wind be going like Kaze. Chizu is a map. And I think about something being chiseled, so like a path being carved out. You put it into a map, so chizu. Wind, kaze.
風
Kaze.
風
Kaze. Chizu.
地図
Chizu. Chizu is a map.
地
Chizu.
図
Denwa.
電話
Denwa. Denwa's boo. What he say next? Then what?
9
Q.
今
Q is today.
日
Q
9
is 9. And I think of the letter Q, if you take off the little like flick at the end, it's a 9.
学校
Gakko is a school, like a code of kids. Gakko.
今日
Kyo is today.
今日
Kyo is today.
弁当
Bento is a box lunch. I almost put bento. School, gakko.
学校
Gakko. Kyo.
今日
Today.
9
Q is 9. Q.
9今日
Today. Oh, they trying to trip me up with the Q. You ain't slick, girl. I know what you're about. Thank you okay. Wow, rude. I hope that you were able to practice along with me or to learn something new that you didn't know before. And if you like this video, I hope that you'll like it, subscribe. I'll wait. Thank you. Subscribe, check out my other videos that have to do with Japanese, and turn on the notification bell because you don't know, I might surprise you. I say Friday, but I might hit you with a video on a Tuesday, hit you with a video on a Monday, hit you with a video on a Wednesday, hit you with a video on a Thursday, hit you with a video on a Saturday, hit you with a video on a Sunday, hit you with a... Okay, I'm sorry, I'm done. Hit single, call, hit you with a video coming out. Yeah, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment below, share this video. Maybe somebody you know wants to learn Japanese, and this is a good way for them to start. I hit 365 days on Duolingo today. Light work, light work, light work. So I'll be coming with another video about my progress later on when I hit 400 days because I still do need a lot of practice. So I'll be doing that. If you don't follow me already, follow me on Instagram at Kimmy T. Coleman, and I'll see you over there. Thanks again for watching. I have been Kimmy Coleman, your favorite Jamerican New Yorker, and I will see you when I see you because I might hit you with a video. You don't know when. It could be Friday, it could be a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You don't know. So yeah, hit that notification bell, and I will see you when I see you. Bye. Now I really do need to go practice because they finna kick me out of the Diamond League, y'all. Bye.